What's going on, family? We're back again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money in the stock market using Robinhood. It's super easy, super simple, but before we jump into it, there's first a few quick things that we need to do first. First, we must understand what exactly is a stock. A stock is a piece of a company or a corporation that is broken down into shares. Using the app Robinhood, we can buy these shares of our favorite companies today, such as Nike, Apple, Facebook, Ford. You name it, your favorite company has shares that we can buy in the hopes of that they will increase over time. Now that you guys know about shares, stocks, and companies, it's time to invest. So first we're going to pull up the Robinhood app, and you might be overwhelmed when you first enter the app. First, understand step number one is to create an account. After you create your account, you're going to want to go ahead and upload some money. And this is what we call buying power. We can simply deposit funds and have more money to trade with in our account. Now, investing on the stock market can be pretty daunting, and a lot of people think that you need a ton of money to go ahead and get started, but that can't be further from the truth. I just uploaded 10 bucks, and actually there's a lot of stocks that you can go ahead and buy with just $10. So after you've made an account, you've deposited your money, now it's time to go ahead and buy stocks. For an example, if we search the company Ford, we can see that their company sells their stocks for $5.43. So if we uploaded 12 bucks, that'll be enough for 2 individual stocks of Ford. And the way that it works, guys, you just hit trade, buy, and the number of shares, the market price, and then you would go ahead and execute. So when buying stocks, you really just want to look at the overall charts. 1D stands for 1 day, 1 week, 1M for 1 month, 3M for 3 months, 1 year, and then 5 years. And we can toggle back and forth to see candlesticks or a line chart. And I always laugh and joke that we learn how to do candle bar sticks and line charts actually in 5th grade, probably even earlier in 3rd grade. So investing can be pretty simple if you just stick to the basics. So with investing, the key thing is we want to buy low and sell high. Looking at Ford within the last year, you can see that it fell off pretty bad around February, hence the coronavirus. So as an investor, we will want to buy low and sell high. So actually around any time from March to now would have been a perfect time to invest in Ford. And what will happen is you buy low and you sell high, and over time you're going to make money by simply just owning the share. The concept is having our money work for us. So to give you guys another real example, I own a Carnival stock. It's a Carnival Cruises. And if you look at the history, I bought this stock March 19th for $9.76, right? I bought 10 shares of those. And now today, the Carnival stock is worth $14. So if you look at my gain, just through a month and a half of literally doing nothing, I've earned $73, right? And you guys can do the same exact thing. And so to practice, I want all of you all to buy a stock, literally your favorite company, right? It could be Ford. See Ford here. The stocks that I'm in, guys, I have American Airlines, relatively cheap, $9. I'm also in Naked. It's the juice brand, 67 cents. Not all stocks are expensive. So that's all it is, guys. That's how to get started and invest in Robinhood. I'll make another video eventually about options, but I wanted to keep it as simple as possible. The key is to buy low, sell high. I encourage you all to start with your favorite stocks. I'm currently in Groupon, Carnival, American Airlines, Hertz, the car company, and I'm also in Naked. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. I'm definitely going to make more videos, but I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I hope you guys have a good one. I'm out.